Do it, do it.
Okay.
Сейчас котика будем кормить. Блять, это камень.
Die!
He does.
You will die!
Sylvester! Okay, yeah, he's pissed. We should probably go. Come on. It's like he's possessed by the demon.
Lap it.
The cat's growling at him.
What is the cat's end game? Eat the cat. Just eat the cat.
Get him back in there, Kim. Get back.
Wow.
Get back.
That's crazy to say that.